In today's video, I'm going to share with you an awesome method, if I do say so myself, for making money with affiliate marketing. Now, this isn't going to be the normal stuff that you see on YouTube. Instead, I'm going to share with you this pretty unique method. Now, anybody can do this. It doesn't cost any money, and you'll be actually quite surprised at how we can do this because we're using a platform with built-in traffic, which means people are actively searching for this every single day, and we can earn in two different ways. Okay, so it's pretty cool. And look, there's more resources in the links in the description down below. You can see lots of them on the screen. These are, I've been creating content for affiliate marketing for quite a few years now, so you can go ahead and check out any of these articles. Okay, so what is the method and how can we make money with this? So if I come over here, this is a platform called Skillshare. Now on here you can see I've just typed in the word email marketing. Now Skillshare is basically, it's an e-learning platform, and at this moment in time it receives over 10 million monthly visitors. Okay, now what is Skillshare? So on here people upload really short courses, and you can see here we've got 36 minutes, 28, and if we come further on the page here, look, 30 minutes, etc. And by the way, I'm using email marketing as an example. I'll share with you some other methods in a second. Okay, but how this method works is people upload this here. So look, 5 email marketing basics. They could probably go on YouTube and find this out themselves, but over on Skillshare people pay. There's a free version and there's also it's called premium, and basically if people with the premium account watch your videos over here, then you can earn money from Skillshare in a sort of revenue split thing. Okay, so this is one way we can make money, but this isn't the main focus for this. We're using Skillshare primarily as a driver of traffic to our affiliate program. Now this example here, this 5 email marketing basics, you can see here what this is about. You can see this is the actual video. So, it's just somebody talking over the top of slides. And if I scroll further on the page here, you can see they've had 50 reviews. Come further on the page here, I want to show you this. Let me click on read more. And we can see over here, they've got resources for this. So someone here is teaching email marketing basics. They've got a checklist over here, a PDF, and basically this is whereby they can include their affiliate links, and they can also include their affiliate links inside of the video, over the top of this. But it's not a hard method. Now let me share with you some potential earnings with this. So if I come over here, this is a platform called GetResponse. Now there's many more of these. You can use Aweber, ConvertKit, MailChimp, lots of them basically. But if I scroll down here, I want to show you this. So look, we can see you have 2 options here. So we have the affiliate bounty program, which is basically where you will earn $100 upfront per sale for somebody signing up to GetResponse. On the left hand side over here, we have the recurring program. So instead of getting $100 up front, you'll get paid 33% every single month for lifetime. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so the other thing as well about whether you're going with GetResponse or any affiliate platform, if I scroll down here, they have, come further on the page here, they have a blog. So basically they have resources. But if I come up here and go to support and click on resources, because what you've got to remember is whether it's GetResponse, MailChimp, whoever, they have an affiliate program, which basically means they want you as an affiliate to drive traffic to their platform and their software, earning them money and also earning you money. So they will go ahead and give you as many resources as possible to help you drive traffic to the platform. Okay, now on the left hand side here, you can see we've got topics. Email marketing on its own has got 115 topics in here. So if I click on that and we narrow this down further, so we come down here and look, we can see how to create. Some of this is specific over to obviously GetResponse. And if we come down here, look, where's it gone? Email newsletters. So this essentially here could be a mini course. Lots of the things on here could be mini courses, and all of this here, look, getting started with GetResponse. This one over here, email list management best practices. So this here on its own, you could go through this, have a look at this, which is completely for free, and then you could turn this into, as we can see over here, a mini course. So like this course here, it's less than 30 minutes. And if we come back over here to this over here, we can see, email list management best practices. That again on its own could be a mini course that we upload over onto Skillshare. And how do we get our affiliate link onto, over to GetResponse? Well, you can do this inside of the video like here. You can also include it in the resources down here, and you can also, you can have pop-ups on the screen and lots more. Now this moves us on to the next question, or what many people would say is, how do I record this? How do I do this? Well, on the screen here, all they're doing is talking over the top of their screen. So they have a screen recorder like what I've got on here, and you can get these for free. You can also get a paid one. The one that I use is called Screencast-O-Matic. It's about $20 for a year, and you can just talk over the top of a screen. You don't have to have, like I've got this floating head here, you don't have to have this if you don't want to. You can get rid of this. You can also, if you wanted to make it really fancy, you could have this where you're talking to the camera or other bits. But we're using a basic format here, and over on Skillshare, they already have traffic, over 10 million people a month coming on the platform, searching for these different topics. So let me give you another example. So we went with email marketing. Let's go over here to, let's go social media marketing. If we come on here, and now we can see social media marketing. Let's just scroll down the page here. And again, similar concepts. So look, save time with social media marketing. Tips and hacks to simplify your life online. 27 minutes. Come further on the page here. I mean, some of these, don't get me wrong, I mean, these are like really long courses, but you don't have to go down that route here. Look, create a social media marketing plan for beginners. 30 minutes. This one here, an hour. Come further down. I mean, look at this one here. 19 minutes. Come down, 30, 27, etc. So in this example with social media, what can you do? Well, similar concepts. You can partner up with companies whereby they have an affiliate program, something like this one over here, which is called eClincher, which is, if I go back to the home page, and I'll show you this really quickly, this is, look, the only social media management platform you'll ever need. Come down here, it's worked with some of the biggest companies around. Come further on the page here, they've won lots of awards, and basically these are all of the platforms it integrates with. And scroll down to the bottom, this is where you can always find, the affiliate stuff, where it's here on the left hand side, the partner affiliate program. If we click on there, scroll down, this one here will pay you, where is it there, $50 to $100 per paid subscription. Okay, and again, they will have resources over on here. So if we come up to, let's have a look down here. So it walks through everything on there, but where will it be? You can see here, look, all these solutions, so they're comparing it against other platforms. But let me go over to the blog, because they'll always have something on here to use. So like this here, 10 outstanding Instagram marketing tips. You see these articles here. You could take an article like this and do a short recording, quoting facts from this, and then you have a resource over to the actual software. And this is just two examples that we've looked at today, like this one over here, or GetResponse. There's hundreds of affiliate networks whereby you can partner up with them, and then we use a platform like Skillshare to upload really short courses like this one here, and we have our affiliate link. And because it's on Skillshare, we can potentially earn money from there, but primarily our main focus is to drive traffic to our affiliate offer. Okay, so look, that's today's video. I hope it all makes sense. And look, the other thing I will say to you is, if you're, you want to go down this route, but you don't really know how to set up a course or anything, you can come over to Skillshare, and if we scroll up to the top, let's just go to browse. Let's just go on to anything, just for this example, marketing. And on the left hand side down here, we can go to, where is it? I'm trying to find it. Basically, a lot of the courses on here are free. So if we click on here, let me see if I can do it this way for you, because I'm actually logged into my account and mine's a premium account. But if I click on free courses, look, there's 3,198 resources on Skillshare, which are absolutely free. So you can go ahead and have a look at, how people are recording these videos or sharing them, get some ideas from this, and then, upload your own course with your affiliate links to different products like this one over here, and many more. So look, any comments or questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.